I'm Jessie and I'll be showing you how to organise your pantry. I will be creating an organisational system in the pantry that is idiot proof. There is labels and it's really simple for everyone in your household to follow. For this project you'll need containers, shelf stackers, chalk, chalkboard tape, non-slip liner, scissors, wire baskets, hanging baskets, wooden crates, a Sharpie, some labels and some string, and some stick-on labels. This pantry is a disaster, but don't worry, we're going to make it super organised. The first thing you need to do is take everything out of your pantry so you can organise it, and then it can all go back in super organised and it all has a home. Take your non-slip liner, measure out your shelves and then cut it to size. This chalkboard tape is amazing because you can cut it to size for whatever containers you're using it on, and then you can write on what's going in your container, but you can also wipe it off if you decide to change what's going in there. So we've got these little cardboard tags that you can just write on, and they can be attached with a piece of string or clipped onto baskets. I'm also going to use some of these awesome little stickers. Now that all the labels are on, I'm going to start filling the containers. Everything that was in our pantry is now in containers and it looks so much better already. I've got tins and chips and biscuits in baskets. I've got apples, potatoes and onions in wire baskets. All my herbs and spices in these little containers. I've got sauces and condiments in wooden crates, and all of this in containers. I picked up these shelf stackers from Bunnings. They're great when you've got a wider shelf and it just creates more storage space. You just pop the legs out and stick them in. We've picked up these hanging storage baskets from Bunnings. These are height adjustable. They're great for herbs and spices. We've also got these hanging ones at the bottom. Having a chalkboard inside your pantry is great because you can pop a little shopping list on there, anything you like. So now's the fun part. We get to put everything back in the pantry and organise it exactly how you'd like. It's great to group the items in your pantry, so all your pasta together, or your cereals together, just so you've got some organisation. This pantry is all finished. It looks fantastic. Everything has a place. All the organisation makes me feel really, really happy. There's no excuse anymore for your housemates or your partner putting anything back in the wrong place. Everything has a home and everything has a label, so there's no excuses anymore.